belly dance for liberty, 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 liberté. Ah, oui. So I want you to take anything that's giving you a lot of pressure or burdens that is getting you under your skin, and we're just gonna let it go. Okay? So this week it's all about freeing yourself and get to something comfortable. And we're gonna go and dance it off, okay? All right, let's start with some deep breath in, all the way, arms up. And breathe out. I'm gonna start bringing the arms into your heart. Breathe in some like positive energy here. And let go the ones you don't want to keep into your body. Whatever that is, worry, fear. Right now, just breathe in lightness, joy, and let go of stress, bad stress. One more time, breathe in. And out. Now let's open here. Breathe in. And let go. Open up, breathe in. And let it go. We're going to reach the right arm all the way up. Reach as much as you can. Bend your right knee and in. All the way up. Bend your left knee. In. One more time. Reach. Breathe into your belly. And then breathe out. All the way up. Bring it down and breathe into your belly. And release. All right. Shoulder rolls. Nice and slow. As you're doing your shoulder rolls, I want you to relax your jaw. Your pelvic floor, I want you to release the tension. Soften your knees. Try to elongate the spine. Heart to heaven. All right. Now just little hip drops again. Alternate the knee. And we're going to focus on the belly now. So I want you to just relax your belly, but then I want you to kind of just bring some energy into your belly. Just like receive and let it go. So don't hold your breath when you're doing this. Just relax your belly, receive some good energy into your belly, and then just let it go. And in, and relax. And in, and relax. And in, and relax. So you're just going to contract and release. Contract and release. Good. I want you to extend your right arm out. And basically, I want you to brush off anything that's bothering you. Brush it off. Off. Get out. Okay? And then I want you to grab something positive and pull it into your belly, into your roots. Okay? So you're going to go. Brush it off. Pull it in. Yucky and beautiful. Da. And something good. Let's do the other side. Same thing. Brush it off. Da. And goodness. Out. Bring in something good. Take something bad and something good. Something that's yucky and lovely. In. And now we're going to open the heart. So I want you to bring your left foot forward and back. So you're going to go just like kind of forward and back, but don't go too far. So it's just in front of your toes and the back of the heel. So I want you to do a little double hip here and then back. So put some pressure on the ball of your foot. Push against the floor, but don't lock the knee. Okay? Keep the knee soft and bend. Open your heart when you go front. Open up. And and push anything that's out of the way. Get out of the way. Open and out. And open and out. Good, let's do the other side, okay? Same thing. Right foot's gonna go forward and back. 2 double hip going up, release, and up, release. It's up, release, and up, release. Open your heart and push anything that's in the way. I don't need that. Get out. All right, we got one more movement. Actually, 2. We're gonna add a little twist. Okay, so we're gonna start twist on your left hip. So all I want you to do is just kind of keep your knees soft, and all I want you to focus is just twist a little bit to the front. So it'll twist forward and then release. Twist forward and release. Twist forward, release. Let's do 4 of them. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. We're gonna add some twist into your beautiful life and body and twist, but it's a good twist. Some juiciness. Squeeze some sweetness into your body. All right. We're gonna add some little pivots with this. So we're gonna go twist, you go to the corner, 1, and then center, going towards the other counter, and all the way to the other corner. We're gonna add that little shimmy. Bop, bop, bop. All right, we're getting into the routine. You ready? Let's just do that twist on your right side too. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and shimmy. We're gonna put it all together, starting with your right. You're gonna brush it off, take something good. Brush it off, something good. Now you're gonna bring your your left hip forward and open, push, open, twist, 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 and shimmy. Now repeat on your left. Brush it off and pull it in. Brush it off and pull it in. Now double hip, push, double, and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab something from the heaven and shimmy. All right, are we ready? 5, 6, now all together. It's out and in. Brush it out and in. And open and push. Open and push. Twist. 1, 2, 3. With your right hand, grab something from the heaven and take it into your heart if you want. And repeat on your left. And in. And in. And double. And back. And open. And back. And twist. 2, 3. Grab something with your left hand from the heaven and bring it to your heart. Out and in. Brush it out and in. And double hip and push. Double hip and push. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. That was so much fun. And actually, I kind of want to do, you want to do it one more time? Here, I'm just going to bring this song right here. I really enjoyed it. It should have been longer. Hold on, hold on. Okay, I'm just going to add to it. You ready? And to the right. Bop. Open and back. Open and back. And twist. 2, 3, 4. And to the left. Out and in. Out and in. And open, back. Open, push back. And twist. 2. One more time to the right. And open and push. Open and push. I think we have one more time for the left. You ready? Out and in. Out and in. Open your heart and push anything that's bothering you. Come on. And add some juiciness. Twist good lemonade into your body. And boom. Good sweetness. Keep the shimmy. Do we have time for more? No, I think we're at the end. Okay, so keep doing these movements. I find them very liberating, and something happens, kind of feel freeing. And yeah, just practice this if you want to all week. And I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.